back at the house. 11, 12. I don't know which size this door socket is. So I'll show y'all what I came up with for my first frame off, which I never thought a box Chevy would be my first frame off, but it is. So the frame is going to go in storage with the black box, then all the body parts go in that same one. The other one I'm not gonna keep because that dunk's gonna be running soon and it's gonna be here for footage. But the other stuff, just keep it over there. I don't plan on working on it no time soon. It was for sale, as y'all seen, but I ain't got time to be doing all that arguing, all that other crap. Got about an hour and some in it. Looking rough. Nah, it look good though. Jack it up. So yeah, so next, get this trunk lid, rear deck, back bumper. And once I get this seat, do the dash. And I'm gonna try to get this window. Cut this top off for that other one. Put it in the back. And then shoot, we could be on to the front. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know what happened with this here. So for those who don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, there you go right there. But I was taking the back window out in this same car and I was using this hacksaw tool. And the reason why I use the hacksaw / reciprocating saw is because the stroke is like 3/4 and most of them is 1 inch. So the less it moves, the less chance I got a break in this. I still broke it, first chance. So what I'm doing, this way it broke off it. I just put it right on top of there with some tape. And then I'm gonna drill the hole back out, test it out, see if it fit. If it do, go ahead and grind this back up so it can be sharp again. Which I bought a grinder for it, and they don't sharpen past this point, so you got a whole bunch of life in it as long as it don't break. But if I break it again, I'm gonna take the window out with a reciprocating saw blade. Which I don't know. I'm gonna get some water and shoot, we're gonna hope for the best. But I'm gonna drill the hole back out and then we'll try to get that window out. Okay, got the roof chopped. Y'all see what happened with the window. Wasted a lot of time trying to not break it and to break it anyway. But I ain't get glass everywhere like I thought I would. But the roof is cut. I'm trying to go ahead and take it off.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, what she just made happen.
I can't wait till you watch that footage back and see I didn't even touch it.
Y'all can't even see, but look.
I can't wait till you watch that footage back.
Nah, she did it.
How did I do it if I didn't even touch it? You just want to always blame somebody. You didn't put it back up there right. That's your damn fault.
All right, man. So I try to make the back deck with the cutouts. It's a whole nother size. I ain't even think that could be a thing, but it is. See, somebody else would have just. Oh, too bad, so sad. So I made a complete one and forgot. STL box Chevy said you got back seats in the back deck, so I got 2 back decks available for purchase. Just gotta finish to your liking, but I gotta do this one from scratch because what I got is too small. It fit like ball heads, probably LS's. I mean, it fit whatever don't got back seats in the back. Look, this bird steady coming here. I'm about to start it from scratch. Hopefully it don't take all day. So, we got it. I need all these pieces. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to reuse or not. Doubt I'll be able to use the body bushings, but just in case, I want to take them for my car. I'll land there. But man, it's actually not a bad job. And I got the rear deck done. I don't know if I showed y'all that. I got it done. Right now I just gotta fit. I can't really tell too much, but I got it done for the most part. So I think I'm gonna try. I was gonna try to lift it up as high as I can, but I ain't got enough things to stack. Shit about like some of the center blocks. I got one. I probably need about 5 per side. So I'm gonna try raw power to just push it over this way so I can move the frame. Yeah, so man, we back. I've been up, well, it's 8:30. I've been up since 5 o'clock. And man, I was cutting the cob, man. And as I was cutting the cob, I just came to myself like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to be cutting cars up, man. I always been, you know, handy, but I don't want to be the one scrapping for parts, man. So I think I'm done with that. Like, if there's some real old school parts, like 70s, I might do it. But as far as parting out a box Chevy, I'm not doing that no more. No, I'm not doing it. You gotta think, like I already said, like if y'all watch KJ Cool Cars video, I'm finna put a script in here. I'm trying to go older, man, because as long as I work on this, I'm gonna be limited to just box Chevy people. And
yeah, you don't want to be boxed in like that. You know what I'm saying?
So,
no pun intended.
And then box Chevy people, man, I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah.
They kind of get frustrated. Man,
yeah. Box Chevy folk, man. Quit
cheap.
Giving my boy a headache, man.
A lot of them be cheap, man. They want to bargain, they want to argue.
Oh,
I don't wanna
man.
do none of that, man. I don't want to argue and bargain no. Man, I just be like, whatever.
Man, come on, box Chevy people, man.
Boom. All right, since y'all seen that, I'm not about to be doing all that work for people who want to bargain with me on something it's common right now, but it's not gonna be that common, box Chevy parts, because like they are becoming so rare. Like the price is going up, which means nobody gonna be cutting that stuff up. Nobody. But yeah, right now at this current time, I don't got time to do that. So it might just be it for me. Unless I give me like a big commercial area that I can do whatever I want. Too much work for what people want to pay. It's too much work. I'm just gonna be done with the parts for now, man. For the box Chevy style and earlier, and pulling parts, because it's labor. Like a lot of people don't understand. The part don't come off on itself. The part don't transport itself. The part don't ship itself. Okay, we got it that you're paying for the part. There's still 3 other things: shipping, labor, and moving it around, and packing too. Packing supplies shipping supplies ain't all that cheap either. If you add like to glass, you can add $100 in shipping supplies. A nice box, packing paper, blah blah blah. Well, there's like 2 pieces of glass, but just 1 sheet of glass, you probably like $60-70 in just shipping supplies, not counting shipping. So yeah, I just might be done because I don't got time for that. But yeah, battery died, my winch died. Like it make noise, but it ain't engaging, so I gotta buy another winch. But that's the last car I gotta move. I was gonna cut the floors, cut the quarters off, the front section. I don't know what the front piece called, but I was gonna keep it because it got the wire harness, brake booster, the pedals, the dash, the clusters. It got everything on it still. I was just gonna keep it, but it's supposed to been gone today, so I'm gonna fix my winch, get it on there, and then I'm gonna take it to the scrap yard tomorrow with the title. I had a whole bunch of, how much for the title? If I do that, right, which this ain't something I'm trying to do. If I sell a car without the title, I mean, if I sell a title, I can't get rid of the rest of the car. So, as far as the hassle, it's just not there. Not there. So I'd rather just, you know, keep the title. That way, something like this, I be able to take the whole car to scrapyard and get rid of it. The whole thing. Here you go. If I sell somebody the title, I gotta cut up here and there, drop this in this garbage, drop this in that garbage, put this on the side of the road, and all that crazy stuff, man. Which I ain't trying to do. So, yeah, so I'm gonna fix my winch, and then I'll be done. That might be it, yeah. I'm pretty sure that might be it for a long time for some parts, man. And I still get people every day asking for parts, and they don't want to pay what I say. So I'm just like, yeah, parts ain't for me. Told y'all my winch went out, so now that that's out of commission for now, like if I do certain stuff, it'll come back on, but it ain't doing what it's supposed to do, and I ain't got time for this for real. So much other stuff I need to do. And messing with this car with these cheap ass parts, I won't be able to get what I need to do done. So still got a gas tank on it, but I got some gas tanks. I might keep these portions of the frame, because you always get them frame cracked, frame rotted in the back area. So I can just throw that in my truck. But yeah, the rest of this car, man, forget it. This dash cracked up pretty bad. It ain't as worse as I've seen, but it's pretty bad. Kick panels I'm gonna take off. And that's about it, man. Gonna get my 7 mil with the drill, so I can get them out. Well, a screwdriver, either one. Fix the rims. Yeah, it's on the trailer. I ain't got time to be pulling all these parts, all that crazy stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna get those kick panels out. Shoot, I might keep these sections and put them in my storage for the, like I said, for that rust stuff. But yeah, as far as me doing another frame off without a lift, dead. Might could cut this quarter panel. Look, I'm still trying to get parts. Yeah, I might do cut this quarter panel off, no cap. In the trunk. It'd be quick. That's what I always say. So I'm gonna drop this trailer, and tonight I'm gonna empty the truck, and then whenever I feel like it might be early in the morning, it might not, I don't know. But I'm taking this wheel off, that wheel off on the other side, strap all this stuff down, take them sections, put them in the back of the truck, take the wheels and put them on my storage, cut off whatever I'm cut off. KT98, what he be changing his name, man. KT98, that's all I cut that lower quarter off for him. Just gave it to him. They say pay for shipping. Then somebody I know need a harness, so I'm gonna just give it to him. Like I say, I don't be always about the money, man, but I do be about my time. But since it's already right here, look, there's like 2-3 bolts unbolted. Might be just one for the box Chevy, yeah, just one. Unbolted, whole harness come off. You just gotta disconnect the grounds, that's it. Give him that harness. They got the emission stuff on it. Hey, it ain't gonna have emission shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get the kick panel for myself. Dash cracked, I don't wanna deal with it. And the actual dash cover panel dash, the actual dash. Shit, I need to get these out too. The actual dash is busted, so that's that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut that cord off. Give me a new fresh blade and make it quick. Definitely appreciate Mr. Billy. Send him some money. What's up, y'all? Oh shoot, it's the next day. And I got all I could off the car, man. But, I told you that's a lot of time in that part stuff. And I ain't with it. Like machine right now. I ain't with it. It's too much work. I still got trim and all kind of cover pieces and everything. All this glass. Look at all that glass. I won't catch no flat here. Yeah, somebody like to pick this off the truck real quick. Show y'all how it look. I got the harness off. I knew somebody that needed the harness. That was it. Tired, man. Tired of doing this, especially. Yeah. It smell like cars and fluid. Damn, it's another box Chevy up here. I'll show y'all when I'm coming out. It's a dual. What the hell? It's a dual. They got all kinds of stuff. Nothing really worth. Nothing crazy. I'm finna see about that box Chevy though. I just got asked about some glass. They're just gonna smash it all anyway. Take my chain off. I gotta go get some food before I go to work. I am home. Put the trim on it. Gas tank was good, it ain't leaking. I left it all on there. Box Chevy. Damn, I need them rallies. Euro on it. Damn, I'm gonna ask them what's up with this. Man, that shredder, that them things on big as hell. Like, I ain't never seen shredder that big. Y'all see it. Put a car on there and go down in the shredder. That shredder huge. They got like 3 or 4 big crane machines and this stuff everywhere, man. But yeah, they said I could not buy it. I was like, damn, I got 2, I just need 2 more. I said, nah. So yeah, I need some rallies for the Landau. It's gonna be interesting what's coming up with it. Let me go ahead and give them this paperwork so I can go get some food and go to work. It's 9 o'clock, man. I've been up since 5 o'clock. And you know that time though. I went to sleep at 1. I ain't get no sleep last night. None. No sleep. But it's all good. Wash my hands, eat, and get this day started. I am officially code compliant, so I shouldn't have no more issues. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be getting real interesting. The shop is almost here.